It's Tuesday, October 18th. Got a little chilly last night. Gonna get really chilly tonight, I do believe. It's about time. It's winter. Well, it's not winter, it's fall, but it's time. It inspires all the knitting and crocheting people to get busy. Those people that somehow take the summer off from the craft and then get all fired up in the cool weather. Now's the time. Get fired up. Come in and see us. I have something to show today, a restock from my pin guy, the magnetic pins, the brooches that fit on and are great for your shawl. The pin is like, whoop. That's how tight the pin is. It's like, whoop. So it's great for your shawls. So I have this wonderful iguana. I've had him before. All of these are $27.95. So here's the iguana. Then I have this sweet pussycat with blue eyes, I think. I can't really tell. This amazing beetle. Love the beetle. I'm all about some glitz. I love the glitzy. And here we have Tinkerbell, or somebody like Tinkerbell. If you need something pink and sparkly, this is it. And she's got, her legs are going back and forth. I thought she only had one leg, but she's up in a ballet point. It's all good. I was like, oh, she's missing a leg. And then for all you football fans, this is what you make. You make your team color shawl, and then you put a football pin magnet on it, and you're off and ready. Perfect. I love a rooster. This guy's really cool. Awesome. And then if you're in the sort of Egyptian mode, we have, I'm not sure, Cleopatra or King Tut, somebody. He's cool. We have a bicycle, little rhinestones. Here's a cute tiger, all sparkly. Love that tiger. This is a bumblebee. He's beautiful. And last but not least, it is the season. Perfect for your holiday shawl. And you know, these will clip on your dress or on your lapel, whatever. And they make a great gift. I'm all about gifts these days, guys. You need to do some gift shopping. And we have it at Bella Filati. I have a restock from Coco Knits on the maker's board. So everybody that needs a pattern, this is what you need. It folds all together, up and down like that. So it's all flat like a little portfolio. It comes with these stickers, and then we sell separately the ruler, the magnetic ruler, and the stitch marker. So it's a great way to keep track of your pattern. This is all magnetic. This board is magnetic, so it's awesome. The whole maker's board is $40.99. Call us. We have a restock and plenty of them. We would love to help you out. Or go to www.bellafilati.com and click on shop and see what we have listed up there. If you don't see what you want, call us, 910-692-3528, and we will personally shop for you. We can FaceTime, we can show you the store, we can do all kinds of things. We're all about service. That's all we've got, service. All right, I will see you tomorrow.